Till now we have learned a lot about the basics of Excel. Now it's time to learn some of the shortcut keys which we will use to implement our task or the things which we were having in the last few videos. So basically Excel shortcut keys are used to help to do the things quickly and faster way. You can see in this Excel I have no ribbon groups here as I was having before. So simply to do so, you just need to click on this home tab or any of these tab, click here and click this on pin button. You can have these options again. So firstly, in the category of shortcut keys, I am having the essential, which are the basic shortcut keys. So for example, I have this data, for example this value Hindi, it is 74800. What I want is I want to copy this value and paste this here. What is the simple way or the way we know already? Just select this cell, right click and select copy. But this time we will do this with the help of shortcut key, like click here, Ctrl C, select any cell where you want to paste this value and simply Ctrl V, Ctrl C and then Ctrl plus V. So you can see we have the same value and this G3. So this is how we can use shortcut keys to do our task faster way. Ctrl plus C is used to copy the data. Ctrl plus V is used to paste the data from clipboard. So these are the essentials. You can try by yourself one by one. For example, I want to cut this value and want to paste this into this G6 cell. Select this, Ctrl X, again select this, Ctrl V. So this is how you can cut the value and paste it here. Remaining you can try by yourself. Just leave these Ctrl Shift F4 and last tab. We will see this later while we will be working with the functions like find, replace. I want to open a new workbook. So to do so, just simply click Ctrl plus O. Next we are having the navigation. Navigation means I want to move from one particular cell to another. For example, I have values in these two also. So what I want is currently I am here. I want to move from here to here. To do so, you just need to simply click on right arrow and you can move this way. Directly you just want to click here and want to go on the last value. Simply click here, Control and right arrow. So this is the way. Similar way, select here, Control down arrow. You will be reached on this last value in the down direction. So these are the shortcut keys. You can try. I have also written and provided you the sheet already. You can try this. For formatting, for example, this is my data. I write any value like A, B, C, whatever it is. What I want is I want to format this. Format this means I want to make it bold. I want to give it a border, or you can say the italic. So how we can do this with the help of shortcut key? Just simply click here, select Alt. When you click Alt, you can see we have these many options, suggestions here. Next, what we want is we want to give it a borders. To do so, H. When I select H, you can see next on border we need to put what? B. Then B, and then inside V we need to give it a all borders, which means A. So the complete command is Alt plus H plus B plus A. We can try this again here in a faster way. Alt H B A. So now we have the order on this particular cell. Next I want to make it bold. Control B. It is bold now. I want to change the background color of this with the help of shortcut key. Just simply Alt, then H, again H, and from here you can choose any color. I'm not using my mouse. Again, I want to change the font color. Alt H. You need to select the cell here, then Alt H FC and make it white color. So this is how you can use the shortcut keys. Try all these shortcut keys by yourself. I have given you this sheet: cell borders, Alt T, move from here to there. So you will know the better way of the using of Excel shortcut keys. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.